Hello again.
مرحبا.
In this video, I will give you a short introduction to the Arabic alphabet. So, first thing to mention, first fact, there are 28 letters in the Arabic alphabet. You can see them here, okay? Just two more than the English alphabet. Now, there are letters that have counterparts in the English alphabet, as you can see here, okay? B. Some do not. Some don't have counterparts, like these two, for example. These are just two examples, the and the. Of course, vice versa. There are English letters in the English alphabet that don't have counterparts in the Arabic alphabet. That shouldn't be a problem, of course. Now, there are also characters that are not officially letters of the alphabet, just a few, We'll be talking about these in separate videos in this series, okay? Now, in this series, it's important that you focus on the shape and the pronunciation, the sound of the letters, okay? As for the way the letters are connected, as you can see here, okay, and other matters, there will be separate videos about that, okay? So just focus. So for now, you just focus on the shape and the sounds and the pronunciations, all right? Now, as we go along, as we go forward, as you learn more letters, try to practice along. If you don't know any Arabic words, that's fine. You can try to spell your name or an English word or any word actually in your native language, okay? Even if you spell wrong, don't worry. The idea is to focus on the shapes and the sounds, the pronunciations, of the letters. Now you can also try locating letters that you learn in any Arabic text that you can get your hands on. News, blogs, whatever, okay? The net is full of Arabic text. Or, magazines, books, if you can get your hands on something. Just try to focus, okay? Now, don't confuse yourself. Sorry, no focus, but don't confuse yourself, okay? Learn at your own pace. No need to pressure yourself. Just focus and take your time. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will do my best to answer all your questions as soon as possible. Now, please read the description of this video to know more. See you in the next video.
شكرا.